So here's what's happening today. Although some people have commented on how cute the cabinets are, they're actually very poorly made. Rough.
That's an understatement.
The cabinet maker disgusted by them. They're just really kind of crappy. There's Formica on the counter. Actually, this is linoleum that we put on the wall with, pieces of wood. And furthermore, we want to move the stove. So the stove is actually going against the wall in that area. Not that stove. This is the new stove I found on Facebook Marketplace. $155. Anyway, the front door eventually is going to go right there. So it will change the dynamics of this particular area, because this will actually become a guest bathroom. And we'll seal this door off. And then the front door will be where that window is. And look, Scarlett's out here demoing cabinets. What a good kid. She gets to beat stuff up with the hammer. Is that all right?
Yeah, but that cabinet won't get beaten up.
You got this, Scarlett.
No, I've hammered it and there's several dents in it and it just won't come apart.
I'll help you. Anyway, yeah, this is where the destruction comes in. Oh, by the way, this will certainly be going as well. So, plenty to do. Making quick work of it.